this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I bought some more fabric with some of the money that Irene sent me through for the quilt, and I thought I'd just show you what I've got. Yay! 6 yards of white, well, it's 6 meters of white, and it's 94 inches wide, and that will do no end for some quilts and that. I've got 3 meters 94 wide sheeting again in the navy blue, and 3 meters in the cream. So this is replacing what I used up on that quilt. There is now gone. This, I quite liked this fabric, but it isn't how I expected. It's more like dress fabric, but I've got some ideas on that. This one, you had to have 3 meters of it, but it's only £1 a meter, so I couldn't pass it up at that low price. There's some more of that polycotton, but in grey this time. 94 inches wide, 3 meters, and I've got in mind a few other things with this. This skull fabric is brilliant because I want to do my son a quilt, and he likes darks, or blacks is better, but there's that, and I thought I could possibly use bits of that. We'll see. I bought some bits that would go well in a quilt, just different colours. I keep adding them to my stash, and then I pull my stash when I'm making something. That's a nice flowery one, and I'm getting more into patterns now. This is sparkly snowflakes on white, silver snowflakes, and that'll probably go with the Christmas fabric I've got. This colour splash, I quite liked it. Don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it goes in my stash. There's some children's prints here, which is clouds, and I like this one. Dinosaurs and little aliens. And for some reason I went wrong on this. I bought 3 meters and another 3 meters, so I've got 6 meters. Or is it 2 meters? Yes, sorry, it's 2 meters, and I bought 2 lots of 2 meters of this balloon, but oh well. That thudding around is my dog chasing his ball, and that's rainbow. I'm not sure I like that. But I also got this. Yeah, as you can see, I've opened them and had a little peek. This is printed polycottons, and there's about half a metre, I think, in each of them for £5. Or is it a metre? Possibly a metre, yeah. And that might go with the kiddie fabric that I've got. Little Christmas trees, that'll go with my Christmas stash. And this one's kiddies. Hippos. These are cotton remnants. Quite a few colours in here, and I think these are at least a metre, something like that. But I quite like this one. Got different pictures on. That's more Christmassy one. Snowflakes, snowman, reindeers, penguins. That's another one for the kiddies. This, not sure about, but in the stash it goes. That's in my stash. This one I quite like. It's musical notes. I think that's really nice, I do. Fortissimo. So that's a moustache. I don't know, I'm going to use it. And this one is kitty prints as well. And I think this one is like Finding Nemo. So yeah, and I'm into doing the baby quilts at the moment, so them will go with the baby quilts that I'm into doing at the moment. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of fabric here. Just thought I'd show you. Bye!